Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy when I'm back again for another YouTube. So I'm just gonna do a quick recap of the week. What happened? We got cooked. I'll be honest with you. I took one trade this week. Took one trade on Tuesday and then didn't trade the rest of the week. Oh, we got cooked. Absolutely. Alright, cool. So this is the trade I took. I ended up taking the trade on USD CAD. Uh as you can tell, we absolutely got cooked and price just kept going and going. But anyways, let's just recap this trade. So coming to the week, price. Let me replay this. Coming to the week, price made an evening star pattern on a weekly like this from last week. So coming to the market, what am I expecting? Simple. I'm expecting for a little wick up, potential pullback to this structure point, and then a sell down here. That's what I was looking for. Cool. Come to the market on Monday, price has the initial push up. So I'm like, cool, price is pushing up. It's already at the structure point. Cool, I like how this looks. I come into the market on Tuesday. What is price doing? So this is still Monday, right? Come to the market at 6 o'clock Tuesday morning. Price had this big push overnight, but as I came to the market at 6, price is pushing to the downside. So as you can tell, 1 hour close below here already shifted structure. 4 hour, well, actually I'm gonna come back to that later. But anyways, 1 hour shifted structure, 30 minute shifted structure, 15 minute shifted structure. What is happening right here? A beautiful head and shoulders pattern. Price, what did I wait for? I waited for a pullback to this order block. Price, give me the interesting evening star pattern. It looks way better on the 15 minute though, like this. And this close below here. So 10 minute shifted structure, 15 minute already bearish, but I probably should have waited for the close below here. But 10 minute shifted structure, 30 minute shifted structure, 1 hour shifted structure. What am I going to do? I'm going to take this trade. So what I ended up doing, I did a sell limit, put price entry right here, and then stop loss right above this structure point right here. Because normally I do 15 pips, that's my trading plan, but I did 17.5 just to give it enough room to come above this structure point before. Because price does do shenanigans like that. Like it'll literally come all the way up here, wake up here, and then sell down. Like it does stupid stuff like that. And I was prepared for it. So I was like, okay, cool. Take the trade, put my stop loss up there, let the trade do its thing. And yeah, I'm looking to hold the trade all the way down to this structure point right here. Because like that's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting the weekly wick to come up here. The weekly wick to come up here, like it did up here. You see this wick? Make this long wick up here and then drop. That's what I'm expecting. So ended up taking the trade. I let the trade do its thing. Obviously, we're in profit for a little bit, and then news was happening on Wednesday, and I knew news was happening, and I still took the trade. No, it is what it is. So the news came out at 8:30. It was bullish overall, so I was like, okay, that's kind of weird. But CAD was also bearish, which is kind of weird. So I was like, okay, I don't know what's going on. Then PMI came out. Now, here's the thing. This news right here didn't even affect it. It literally didn't. What really affected it was Powell speaking at 2 p.m. When Powell started speaking, oh man, that's when everything was whack. But this news, like, okay, if it's stronger than 52.2, then it would go up. The dollar would get stronger. But as you can tell, this is less than 52.2, and this is a red folder news. So this is expecting to push to the downside, which I kind of had like the sense that it was going to push the downside, but I wasn't like super confident in it. Like the thing with news is you can't really be too confident with news. Like you can expect them to do something, but it doesn't often do it. Like even with the Feds, even when the Feds cut interest rates, like we already knew they were going to cut it. And that was like, we predicted that for months and months and months. So, but like sometimes they'll say they want to do it and then they don't do it. So it's just, you don't know what news is going to do. But this news didn't really impact it too much. It was Powell speaking. Obviously, we're in profit, and then price started reversing, doing whatever shenanigans. Then Powell spoke. Again, price is still doing whatever it needs to do at 12. And then I don't know what happened. Actually, I do know what happened. CAD news dropped. The government, Malcolm, whatever his name is, spoke and just absolutely destroyed like my stop loss. And then the thing that pissed me off is it destroyed my stop loss, and it started going to the downside again. So I'm like, are you serious? No way. I followed my trading plan. I even gave it extra room just for price to come stop me out like this to make a stupid wick out and then going to fall straight to my direction. I was so annoyed because I'm like, what is going on with this? Are you serious? But then price didn't do that. Price just kept going up. Yeah, it is what it is. So And I was reviewing this shit. Honestly, I didn't do anything wrong. One thing I could have done better was, I guess instead of taking this on the 10 minute, I should have waited for the 15 minute to close below. Which it did end up closing below afterwards, but I should have just waited for the 15 minute to close below. But everything else, shit, the structure, all the confluences I need were there. Order by pull back to the order block, give me the interest signal, retest the EMA, shift the structure, everything was there. Even this 4 hour evening star pattern. Like, let me show you. Look at that. Like, beautiful evening star pattern on the 4 hour. When I took the trade, had to push line. It's a good trade. So, realistically, I don't really know what went on. I guess I was just wrong. And I'm okay with that. I accepted that and I'm moving on. That's 2 trades in a row. We took this one last week. As you can tell, we got waked out just for price to go in that direction. So annoying. So annoying. I don't know what's going on with that. But, yeah, so then last week we lost this trade. It is what it is. Can't really do anything about it. I accepted the loss. And this is a good loss. I'll be honest with you. This is a good loss. This right here, this is a bad loss. Why is this a bad loss? Because I called the move in the direction and I didn't capitalize off of it. I got wicked out just for price to keep going in my direction. This one, I was just wrong. Overall, like I called the wrong move. I thought price was gonna sell, price was gonna buy. I was wrong. This one, I said price was gonna buy, price did buy, came back, stopped me out, and then kept pushing in the direction. So this is just a bad loss. But it's not a bad loss. It's a good loss, right? Because all of these are good losses because I'm following my trading plan and doing what I'm supposed to do. But this is just, it sucks to have losses like this because you're calling the move and you're not able to capitalize off of it. But it's fine if you take losses like this because you follow your trading plan, you trust your trading plan, you did what you're supposed to do, and price just was not going in the direction. You're just wrong. It is what it is. So, yeah. It's like, why can I not hit 124 like this? Like, I'm waiting for the best 124, 125 out there. Like, I'm still waiting for that. Look, same thing with this one. Anyways, see, like this right here, this was a good, like the same thing. Like, I thought price was gonna buy, it was buying for a little bit, stopped me out first, and then candlestick dropped. So like, it is what it is. Can't control that. Yeah. And then GPUSD, beautiful move this week. Like price, because if I'm looking to sell on USD CAD, then I would be looking to buy on GPUSD. And I was looking to buy from this structure point. Obviously, price went back to the structure point, didn't give me interest in the buy. Just absolutely just destroyed this. So good thing. And yeah, I like the way that is. So if this is going down, which means the US dollar is getting stronger, that means USD CAD is going to keep going stronger. So honestly, not mad about it. Now that price has broken below this structure point and we are bearish on GPSD, I'm waiting for the retest, which we're already having the retest. So honestly, technically, Monday's candlestick, I'm just going to wait for a doji candlestick, and then Tuesday, potentially take the sell to this structure point right here. Same thing with USD, broke below this structure point, we're already here. So Monday's candlestick, just waiting for that doji, and then Tuesday, we can catch the sell down. And then USD JPY finally broke out of this zone. Oh, this is so beautiful. I'm so happy this broke out of this zone. So now we can actually look to take this trade now. So I just gotta be careful. One thing I will do this week before the markets open is change up my, well, not even change up, but just improve my area of interest. So like these areas right here, like if you can look on this on USD CAD, you can see there's an area right here. But if you go, that's on a weekly. This is what it looks like on a weekly. But if you go on a daily, you can see there's the much stronger area right here. So I can move this up, slightly up, which would still be encompassing the weekly one, just more space, I guess, or a better area, a better target area. So yeah, that's my goal. That's really it. Really good. It was a decent trading week. I'm mad about the loss because it was a bad loss. I'll be honest with you. I didn't like it. I don't like the way price did me like that. But I can't control the markets. And this trade did bring us back to underneath $100,000. So we're like below break even again, which sucks. I don't know why this keeps happening. Like I'm up and I'm down. I'm up, I'm down, and I don't know what's going on. I'm following my trading plan and I'm having good risk reward, like good risk measure. So I don't understand what I'm doing. It's turning a amount of time before I pass this front of the account. So yeah. Stay focused, stay disciplined, stay consistent. All I can say is, man, just keep going. Just keep going, keep going, keep going. One day I'm gonna look back at these videos and be like, man, that man was struggling. Or like what was he doing on the charts? Or like this man was going through it, but hey, it'll be worth it, man. The joy that is coming is not comparable to the sorrow or the pain that I'm experiencing right now. So yeah. keep going, stay focused, stay disciplined, stay consistent. And you got this, Mo. Trust God. God got you. Jesus got you. Amen.